everybody, welcome to my channel. I got the Walmart beauty box. Now I'm drawing a complete blank. I cannot remember what the price is for this. It used to be $5 and I think they jacked it up to $7. I cannot remember, but I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So this is the winter box. They send you 4 boxes a year. You just sign up and then they charge your credit card quarterly. For a while there I was very disappointed in it and I was going to stop it. And then the last 2 boxes I got were actually pretty good. So I'm like, we're just going to keep getting it a try. Because I like getting sample stuff because I love it. Because I can use this stuff when I go traveling. So it was perfect. So let's just dig in and see what we got. Bam. Okay. So it says Walmart Beauty, and then one thing I do like is they have a list of everything that they put in here with the prices if you bought it full size. So we're just going to open it up and see what we got. So here we have the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Repair Leave-In. It is a little sample. It's probably maybe two uses out of this. So this is... Why does it not say it in here? That's funny. It's not in here for the full size of this. So, okay. That is nice. Here we have the Liquid IV. I know there's printable coupons for this right now, but this is the Liquid IV. The full size for this is $8.98 for 6 of them. So this is like $1.25 or something like that. So this is strawberry. This is just something electrolyte that you put in your water bottle, so you have something like that. The next item we have is a small bottle of Gold Bond. Now the bigger bottle, what size is this? So the bigger bottle is, this is 1 ounce. The bigger ones are 5.5 ounces and it's $4.97. So here we just have a little bottle of Gold Bond lotion. This is perfect for my purse. I'm always needing lotion. I actually leave a bottle of lotion in my car because I'm always needing lotion and it's less weight in my purse. So this is perfect because the one I have in there is almost empty. So we got that. Here we have a bottle of Original Hydrating Mist Toner. This is chamomile and rose. So this is a Sukin Signature Hydrating Toner Mist. The full size is a 4.2 ounce. This is a 1.69 for $10. It's formulated with rosewater and chamomile to help soothe and refresh tired skin. Use anytime, especially when your skin is feeling tired, stressed, or overheated, and it's alcohol free. So it looks pretty good, you know, just little mist right there. And I do see 2 full-size items in here. So this is a look, I can't say how it's on. This is a NYX lingerie gloss. So the full size is $7.50. So right here, this alone pays for your box. This alone pays for your box. So this is just a clear regular lip gloss, which is actually pretty good. And the color is called Brillo. Yeah. So pretty good. I mean, right here, this pays for your box. I'm not so disappointed in that. And then I also have another full size item. I think it's Lottie. What is this? This is a Lottie London retractable brow pen, and this is a full size, and this is $6.98. So just a regular brow pen, which is nice because I actually do color my brows in because I have blonde eyebrows. So this is perfect for that. So that's another full size item. And then I actually have a perfume called Yes, I Am Glorious. From what I can smell, it smells okay. So this is just a sample, but a full-size sample of this costs $22.98 for 1 ounce. I don't know how many ounces this is, but just got that. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you got 7 items. If you figure it out, you got everything for $1, which is still a decent price, or those the 1 lipsticks you got for free anyways. So that was, or not for free, but that was pretty good. There is a couple other items that I did not get. There is a CoverGirl product in here, a full-size CoverGirl, 2 full-size CoverGirl products. They have an eyeliner, and then they have a highlighter. There's also a Garnier Retinol Smoothing Serum Cream. There's the Hemp's Original Herbal Essence Moisturizer. There's the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Serum. And then there is a Profusion Holiday 2021 4 Shade Palette, which is a full size for $4.99. And then they have the Soap and Glory Hand Food. And then they have the new product that I've been kind of wanting to see because I've been seeing on the apps. And it is Twist Assorted Curl Products. And that is something I would love to try because I have curly hair. So that is everything that I got in my box. Sometimes they give you coupons or stuff, but I don't see anything in here. But I am happy. I was going to be a little, when I opened it up, I'm just like, really? But I'm happy with what I got. I mean, perfect for the lip gloss because it's clear, and that's something I could always use. And I'm excited to use that eyebrow pencil and that mist. I have something that's a mist that I use for my face, and it's awesome. So hopefully that does awesome also. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I do these videos every quarter. You can subscribe to it. You just Google Walmart Beauty Box and it'll take you right to it. You guys can subscribe. It's pretty easy, and you can just do it for once if you want to try it, but I think it's cool. I know a lot of you guys try it too. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys all next time. See you later. Bye-bye.